Siemens has expanded its accelerator partner ecosystem by welcoming a new partner, IFS. This collaboration was chosen due to IFS's expertise in AI-driven asset management and field service management capabilities. IFS is the global leader in industrial AI and enterprise software, catering to companies that oversee complex assets and service-focused activities. The powerful IFS cloud connects to both Siemens Electrification X, Siemens IoT Suite for power substation assets, as well as to GridScale X, Siemens Holistic Grid Management Software Suite, to enable prescriptive asset maintenance and AI-enabled service planning and scheduling optimizations. In this software demonstration, we will illustrate how an alarm from a medium-voltage switchgear in a power substation automatically initiates a prescriptive workflow within the IFS cloud. This workflow will efficiently plan, schedule, and execute the replacement of a circuit breaker in the switchgear. Through Web API integration, IFS Cloud draws asset condition monitoring data from Electrification X. The combined solution streamlines the creation of prescriptive work orders to enhance asset management activities. Before diving into the demonstration, let's first listen to Siemens CEO, Roland Busch, share the vision for accelerator partnerships.
What if our hardware was already IoT enabled and all you had to do was plug and play? What if applications were open and interoperable, so you weren't locked into the solutions of one company? What if there was a platform that enabled all of this? The change starts today.
And there you have it. IoT-enabled hardware, as shown here, connects to open and interoperable software. This setup leverages Siemens' domain expertise in conjunction with IFS's powerful software capabilities, all aimed at helping our customers understand the true health of their connected assets, to proactively prevent costly downtime. Now let's proceed to the demonstration. The Electrification X asset management feature is a digital caretaker, enabling the monitoring of all your power substation assets in a single pane of glass. Here, we see that an issue has been detected in Germany, at Frankfurt Factory Substation 1. Upon closer examination, we notice that the alarm was triggered from switchgear 8DB40, associated with its outgoing feeder G02. The alarm signals a warning that the circuit breaker's mechanical operations counter limit has been surpassed. In the condition monitoring section, we delve into further details regarding the feeder's operational conditions, temperature, humidity, etc. The mechanical operations counter indicates that it has exceeded its warning threshold, reaching 9,000 switching operations. In the circuit breaker monitoring section, we also see the circuit breaker's operations counter and discover additional details, such as circuit breaker type and serial number. Planning a field service operation to replace the circuit breaker has become imperative. This is the phase where IFS plays a crucial role. Through a standard Web API integration with the IFS cloud, the alarm from Electrification X has automatically generated a service request within IFS. This service request is accompanied by an associated work task. The work task is the entity that will be scheduled and dispatched to the field technician. It encompasses asset information and provides detailed work steps to be executed by the field service technician. Once created, the work task is automatically released for scheduling to the field service team. The AI-powered algorithms within IFS Cloud will automatically schedule and dispatch the optimal field technician, taking into consideration technician availability, location, job location, skills required, and SLA requirements of the task. Here we can see the high-priority switchgear job being optimized into an already busy schedule. The schedule can also be visualized on a map view. Once the job has been dispatched, the technician receives a notification through the mobile work order application. The initial step involves viewing the job details. the technician chooses to accept the assignment. Once accepted, the technician, marked as en route, typically travels to the job location. Upon arrival, the technician then carries out a series of pre-work safety checks to ensure the work site is safe and that all precautions have been taken before commencing with the job. Next, the technician performs the work steps as outlined in the work task details from IFS Cloud to replace the circuit breaker of the faulty switchgear. This ensures that work is completed in a consistent way that leads to higher rates of first-time repairs and better outcomes. After completing the work, the technician submits a report with photographic evidence of the asset and details of the work steps performed. In the back office, information on job completion is ready for review and approval. The switchgear circuit breaker has been replaced. The issue is resolved. After completing all steps in IFS Cloud, we observe that the mechanical operations counter of the new circuit breaker in Electrification X has been reset to 0. In the circuit breaker monitoring section, the new serial number and type of the installed circuit breaker are displayed. This is merely a straightforward example to illustrate the realm of possibilities. For more information, please scan the QR code and visit accelerator.siemens.com.